The Range Rover Evoque is a compact luxury crossover SUV with seating for 5 passengers and was produced by the British auto manufacturer Land Rover. The Evoque was first produced in July 2011 in the 3 and 5-door versions, with both 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive. For 2015, the Range Rover Evoque comes in 5 different trims levels, starting out with the base model, which is Pure. Next up is Pure Plus, Pure Premium, Prestige, and last, the Dynamic version. The one I have here today comes with the Prestige Premium package, which comes standard with new 19-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. But as you can see, this one comes upgraded with 20-inch fork vibration polished wheel. Some other standard features include advanced park assist with perpendicular park, premium Oxford leather upholstery with twin needle stitching on seats, fixed panoramic sunroof with power blinds, front fog lights, adaptive xenon headlamp with LED signature daytime running lamps, Meridian surround sound system, as well as many other features. The Evoque features a very modern and distinctive design. The rising beltline gives the Range Rover a capable and athletic appearance. Better yet, it is more than just a pretty face. The Evoque is capable in challenging situations. It can easily tackle all terrain and weather conditions with confidence. Up front, you quickly notice the front lighting that adds much of a thoughtful touches to the Evoque. Innovative xenon lighting with LED signature daytime running lights blaze a clear trail in all weather conditions and add to the vehicle dramatic presence and look. High-intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. LED fog lights are also come standard on this model. And there you can see the front surround cameras located at the bottom, one on each side. And a closer look at the Evoque grille with Land Rover badging on it. Intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers are also one of the standard features. So as I mentioned earlier, this particular model comes upgraded with 20-inch fork vibration polished wheel with 245/45 Continental tires. Behind the wheel is the set of power-assisted 4-wheel internally ventilated brake discs, as well as the brake caliper painted in silver. The specific Range Rover Evoque fender, body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side cameras are also built into the side view mirrors. On top is the huge fixed panoramic roof that offers both the front and the rear passengers a sweeping skyward view. Rear wheels are also 20 inches. Behind the rear wheel, you also find the internally ventilated brake disc as well as the silver brake caliper. It also comes with all-terrain anti-lock braking system, dynamic stability control, road stability control, electronic brake force distribution, cornering brake and hill descent control, emergency brake assist, trailer stability assist, as well as hill start assist, all of those which give the Evoque the ability to tackle all terrain. To the back, you also notice the unique and stylish taillight with shiny black bezel. Taillight also comes with integrated LED brake light as well as turn signal light. At the bottom is the silver rear diffuser as well as the dual chrome tip exhaust. Rear deflectors and park assist are also integrated into the rear bumper. And there's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. On top is the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, so here I have the remote with Range Rover lettering on each side of the remote. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, light on and off, trunk release, as well as panic button. Now to turn on the light, just press the light button once and press it once again to turn off. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, press the button located on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, Place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Aintree Green, a very unique color, featuring a tan ivory espresso prestige leather interior with beautiful dark wood trims and silver aluminum trims throughout, and double white accent stitching on the seat. Very modern looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. And one thing I like to show you, which I think is very cool, now once you turn off the engine, the gear rotation knob will blend in evenly with the center console, and once you turn it back on, it will rise up. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Range Rover Evoque have to offer. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder direct fuel injection engine with twin variable valve timing, 9-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter with normal, sport and manual shift mode, all-wheel drive with active driveline and traction control, electronic rear differential and active torque biasing and torque vectoring by braking, pushing out 240 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 135 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 21 city, 30 highway, and 24 combined. Very impressive. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel with espresso leather in the middle section and double white contrast stitching. All windows are fully automatic, and there you have the side view mirror control. It does feature folded option. There's the lock and unlock, 3-position memory seating, Meridian surround sound speaker, and there's the storage compartment on the door panel. Range Rover aluminum door sill, and there's the pedal. And here is a closer look at the seat. It is perforated and does offer heated options. Very nice looking leather upholstery. Now both front seats offer 8-way power adjustable front seat. Driver seat memory recall 3 store positions for the seat, steering wheel, as well as outside mirror. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather, with silver accenting in the middle. Looks and feel very nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, cruise control, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And there you have the windshield wiper control. Over to the left you have the light control, as well as the turn signal light control. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. And a closer look at the instrument cluster with a large TFT screen in the middle. Steering wheel does feature a heated option. That's the driver's side air vent with aluminum trims on it. There you have the trunk release as well as the instrument light control. And a closer look at the dash. It is wrapped in leather with beautiful wood trims on it. Now this particular model comes equipped with the Meridian surround sound system that comes as a part of the Prestige Premium package. The Meridian surround sound system features 17 loudspeakers including a subwoofer, which pushes out 825 watts of beautifully balanced audio for both you and your passengers. Now looking at the center stack, you see that it is fully wrapped in leather with beautiful wood trims on it. Very premium looking. And here you have the large touchscreen display. On the left you have the home menu button, parallel parking button, park assist on and off, power on and off, mode, audio, video, navigation, and phone. Now the screen is fully touchscreen and it is very sensitive, as you can see. Very nice sound quality. And here's the look at the navigation system. Down here you have the multimedia control, emergency hazard light, and dual zone climate control. There's the eco start and off, downhill assist, traction on and off, and the parking brake. Here in the center console you have the gearbox. You just turn the knob to the right to get into reverse, and once you're in reverse the camera will appear on the multimedia screen with a guided line for a much easier backup. And turn it once again for neutral and once again for drive, and push it down and over for sport, and that's when you can use the steering wheel mounted paddle shifter to change gear. So very easy to use. And then you can scroll it all the way to the left to get into park. And below the gearbox you have the different driving mode. You can just press the left or right arrow to change the mode. There you have descend, mud and ruts, grass, gravels and snow, and special. Here you have dual cup holders, storage compartment, and a 12-volt power outlet. Center storage compartment. There you have the USB auxiliary input and another 12-volt power plug. Glove box compartment. And another look at the passenger seat. It offers plenty of support, as you can see. Okay, on top you have the sunglasses holder, the one-touch open and close sun blind, very large panoramic roof. There you have the rear view mirror with integrated 3-button universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with a card holder. Now let's take a look at the rear seat. Looks like rear seats offer seating for 3, and it does feature a split folded option. You can fold it into a 60 or 40 split for more cargo space. And here is the rear driver side door panel. The rear windows are also automatic, and there's the storage compartment. Now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it is in the back. But first, let me show you the look to the front cabin. Very spacious cabin. And a look to the top with a beautiful sky view. Down here you have the heated seat button for the rear passengers and storage compartment. Now I'm 5'8" and I have plenty of leg room left, so if you're taller than 5'8", you'll also be really comfortable in the back, and rear seats are very well padded. Here you have the center armrest with 2 cup holders, as well as more storage compartment. Here's the look to the back. Now headroom are pretty generous as well. There you have the clothes hanger and your light. Okay, so to fold down the rear seat, just press the button located on the side of the rear seat to fold it down. There's one on each seat. So that's how it looks with the seats folded. And now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. So the trunk space in the Range Rover Evoque offers a very decent cargo space of 20.3 cubic feet of cargo space. That's with both rear seats up. And if you fold both rear seats down, you get a maximum of 51 cubic feet of cargo space. And keep in mind that you can fold it in 2 different configurations for your convenience. There you also have the 12-volt power plug. And down here you have your spare tire and your tool. Now this little panel here, you can also remove it if you need to. One touch to close. And gas cap is located on the passenger side. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 18.5 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 Range Rover Evoque is a compact luxury crossover SUV with seating for 5 passengers. Rear seats have enough room for 3 adults, and all 3 could fit comfortably in the back. Front cabins are very spacious as well, with great upholstery material, as well as nicely premium wood trims and silver aluminum trims throughout. And another look to the back. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Very spacious. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Range Rover Evoque. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.